Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is about some popsicle sticks activity which you can do with your children at home. So the first activity is based on counting cardboard popsicle sticks game. So I took a cardboard and wrote a few numbers on them and made few holes according to the number and gave few popsicle sticks to them and told them to place the popsicle sticks according to the numbers they see. It was an easy way for him to put the popsicle sticks and see how many popsicle sticks are for every number. The second activity I did was I made few shapes as it was puzzle. So I made few shapes on both the popsicle stick and told him to match the colors and the shapes he sees in the stick. It was interesting for him to find the shapes according to the colors. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me, and I will see you in my next video.